Hi everyone, thank you and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Becky, nice to meet you. Alright, so today I'm doing a clean with me hotel edition slash, I guess, birthday vlog. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this like a 2-for-1 video. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoy the music. Without further ado, let's get started on this video. Pretzels and cheese. How was it? For real? We're gonna pretend like it's a year ago and you can't talk on YouTube? It's like that? I'm gonna get all weekend long. Sizzling chicken and shrimp, and then the chicken Alfredo. And you got a burger and fries. The dessert you get when it's your birthday from Jack Fridays. Are you sure you want me to wake her up, Mom?
Yes.
Okay. What time she fall asleep? Hey. Raquel. 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 Want some cake? Hey. No? Okay, we're gonna have cake without you, okay?
Happy birthday to you.
Different. I kind of like it, but it's just different. This is super small. It looks a lot bigger in the picture. So. What kind of view do we have? So we're gonna enjoy the hotel for my birthday. So crazy. Enjoy the hotel with no kids, nobody else around but us. Relax and just, it's supposed to sit back and relax. It's supposed to snow tomorrow here, and it was 70 2 days ago. So yeah, the story of my life in Minnesota.
Cold enough, but
so right there, what is this, dear? Dirty Sprite. What flavors did you put? Every flavor in it?
Yep. Just certain colors.
So what you do is you take Sprite, you open it up, put Jolly Ranchers, and you can put whatever kind you want, and then you pour typically like any kind of rum or vodka. We've been trying to order Pizza Hut forever, and so we're in Bloomington, and the address, I guess they keep getting confused. So we've got transferred to 3 different stores, and it's taking forever just to order pizza. Alright, anyways, so today was my birthday. I had a good time. Not really much to do. We're here in Minnesota where we live, like literally maybe what, a half an hour from home. So there's not really anything like new and exciting to do here. we've done everything around here in the area. But yeah, so tomorrow we're just gonna chill in the hotel, relax. It's supposed to be winter again tomorrow, and it's gonna be almost May. Yeah. California, we went to San Diego. Stop! I'm trying to talk to my friend.
70 million miles per hour.
I'm trying to talk to. Oh my God! I'm trying to talk to you too. Stop.
This shit moves so fast. The sound. You have to
He
keep that.
talks. Do you see? He talks all the time. I promise you guys, he talks all the time. We're gonna end this part right now and wait for our pizza to get here. So yeah, I'm gonna get off my phone before it dies, and they can't get a hold of us because I'm really hungry. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye. What are you getting, dear? Baby food right there. And then pancakes. It is not Red Lobster without one of these. What did you get? Trio? My dessert. Smile, the thing, the camera. Alright, you want to mix a drink? Alright, so last birthday vlog you guys asked why I was cleaning the hotel room, which in fact I was actually prepping the room for the housekeeper. Alright, so I used to be a housekeeper myself, so I know what they go through, and I'm just trying to make their lives a lot easier. On the plus side, by prepping the room, that's guaranteeing the next person that stays there fresh linens and everything like that. So yes, definite benefit.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? It's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment's lovely. tattoos is a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah, there's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah. Your chin next to my chin, try to hold my breath in, don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin, watching you sleep is comforting, don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. Your hands touching my hand, want your fingers everywhere, don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers.
I just want to really quick thank you all again for stopping by and watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe. And as always, you guys, thank you for stopping and taking the time out of your busy day and your busy schedules to watch our videos. We really do appreciate all the support. Alright, you guys, have a great day, and we'll see you in our next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.